Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 3. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm going to review this case from Speck for your Z Fold 3. It is their Presido Clear Fold case. I need to shout them out for actually sending this case to me for a review, so I definitely appreciate it. You can get this case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. In this video, we're going to make sure to see how it fits. We're going to line it up, and does it add much bulk to your phone? So let's get into it. Again, nice packaging, fun Speck. They do a great job with their packaging. If you want to pause it, you can definitely do so. So here's the case itself. It is connected, unlike some other cases I had. It does have these little film things on the side. It will show off the beauty of your phone. So let's see what it does. Does have a snug fit. Do you get any lip action? Not really. What about camera protection? You do get some camera protection there. The cutouts look good at the bottom. Also at the top, they look good. Yes, you do have room for the power button and the volume rockers. Does it fit? Yeah, it does fit. Now the thing is too, the hinge is open, so is that a problem? No, I think it protects. Look, it gives you the lip action in the front, so you place it down, you don't have to worry about scratching up that front display. You place it on the back, you don't have to worry about the camera, so that's a good thing. The power button's easy to get to. I mean, it's wide open, so it should be. What y'all think about it? This is actually a nice case. It does show off the beauty of your phone, but it will attract fingerprints though. Look, just listen. The fingerprint scanner is pretty quick too, but I don't know. Overall, I think this case is great. Actually, like I said, I will have the links in the description if you want to pick this up from Speck and from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out.